DIY, DIY, DIY. Save money. Today I'm working on a used 1999 Jeep TJ. The previous owner had issues with the AC heater blower. Today I'm doing a repair on that particular area of the car. I'll be straight up. When I realized the nature of this issue was involving electrical circuitry, I was hesitant as a mother, because the last thing I want to do is ride down the highway with my motor on fire. But quite frankly, I need to fix this and today's the day. One of the problems, specifically when you're talking about a Jeep, are heater issues. This heating mechanism, the AC heat device, on this particular type of Jeep, it always melts behind here. The receptor melts. And so what this guy did was, instead of replacing this receptor or even just replacing this whole unit, which costs about maybe 20, 30 bucks right here, he decided to run a hot wire to the blower, which is behind this dash, and connected it to literally a light switch. And you would cut it on and cut the blower off, on, cut the switch off to cut the blower off. Well, that's a fire hazard. And so what I did was, I went in and saw what happened. So I completely replaced this unit. And then I went back and cut the wire harness because it had gotten hot previously several times and it melted the entire connector. And so I went back and went to the wiring harness behind here. I clipped it, connected an old one from the local salvage yard, and then went in here and pulled out all of the previous wires, or the hot wire that he had. And now fixed. Hope it helps. DIY, DIY, DIY. Save money.